Why?
Is this the best present ever? Somebody, I need shoes. I'm gonna end up stepping in horse poop.
Did James see them?
Here, go get in front of them and get pictures.
Isaac, stay on this side. You like hot chocolate? You do? I'm not the drink, I'm talking about the horse. You like the pony hot chocolate? Okay. Yeah.
Going to the corner?
No, turn around up here.
Haley, you like this? This is a good birthday present, huh? A ride on a horsey. Oh.
Okay, go ahead, Isaac.
And you see Ava. Say wave, Ava. Can you wave, Haley girl?
Say hi. Say yeah.
Yeah, you are. And you got a beautiful horse. A horse, right? I don't know. I really.
Let's go.
Some gift, you better. It's not that one.
Oh.
Haley, come over there and
Okay.
hold this lead. Don't need the lead. Hold this lead.
Why do you want to get off?
You want to try going? Okay.
Haley, you want to ride him again?
Okay, you can get on.
She's gonna get back on. She just.
Come here, you.
That's a.
No, let him. Ava, hold on, because there's cars. It's okay.
Oh, you want me to? Oh.
Got it?
The horse?
Come on.
Oh, you want to be beside him? I'll get in front then. It's a beautiful horse. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. What's your horse's name, Ava? Jack? Oh, cool. Jack and hot chocolate.
How come you got a pony and I got a horse? It's like Friday's my birthday. And I'm ready to go horse? Yay!
This is cool, huh?
One way better than this is 10 times better than the zoo. 10 times better. This is a nice birthday, Blue. For me and her. My birthday's Friday. Hers is on the 5th. Right?
Whoop. There you go. Whoa.
Whoa, boy. Say whoa. Okay, let's go.
Depends if there's any more kids. Oh, she's holding the reins.
Wait after them quickly.
You're holding the reins, huh, honey?
Dude, I'm just too far.
That's awesome. Look at you.
There you go. Okay. All right.
You just gotta hold on here.
Hold on. You're not going nowhere, nothing, okay?
Just watch out for the minivan coming.
Whoa.
Look at my Haley girl. Ah, chocolate. You got beautiful blue eyes, don't you?
I'm riding a horse.
No, I will, but. No, just. Come on now. Me and her. You're gonna share it like I want it.
All right, that's cool.
Yeah, let me go on.
Haley girl.
Then you're gonna go back on again.
Where's my Katie?
Haley girl.
Are we
Katie. Katie. Say hi.
Here, why don't you get Katie going?
Yeah, let me get Haley.
The smaller one.
Smile.
Now that's the small
The
one.
pony.
Wait, is it okay?
Wow, look at that.
Oh, one-handed.